the highest verification that any dispensary has ever had. It's the highest. 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 Every other worthwhile endeavor has been automated in this great world of ours. Why not have this be automated? It's looking to be regulated. Why not regulate it this way, with actual transactions, after transaction being documented, so state taxes can be paid, Fed taxes can be paid. Everything is just lucent and clear and out in the open for all to see. It's the highest.